Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to see your watch history in TikTok 2022. All you need to do is follow the simple steps. First of all, get into your Play Store and make sure that your TikTok application is updated. And if it's updated, you're good to go because the near features won't be available on the previous versions of the TikTok. Then get into the TikTok application. Afterwards, what you need to do is get into your profile. After going into profile, you're going to go and tap in the freelance icon at the top right corner and get into settings and privacy. Afterwards, what you need to do is simply get into your report a problem. Once you do that, because there is no option to watch history in your TikTok, so you'll do is eventually get down and feed search there, notification, follow, likes, comments. So you'll go there and you'll see your watch history right there. You'll simply make a request, and in that request you will request this TikTok authority to kindly allow you or give you insights about your watch history on TikTok, that what you have watched. So this is how you do it. And if you guys don't understood it, or if you guys have any question regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer it. So take care till next time. Peace, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.